In the fast-paced world of investing, real-time data is critical. Manual data downloads and processing take time you can't afford to lose. Introducing our intelligent bot, designed to automate the retrieval of crucial stock market data. Watch as it logs in securely to the stock exchange portal. With just a few clicks, the bot navigates to the daily BAV copy or market data and downloads the relevant files, ensuring you always have the latest information. It opens compressed files, creates pivot tables, and organizes data based on your specific rules, whether it's high volatility, lower circuit hits, or custom filters. Once processed, the bot formats the data, inserts it into an email, and sends it directly to your inbox, ensuring you have real-time insights at your fingertips. This automation saves hours of manual effort, enabling you to focus on fast, informed decision-making in the ever-changing market. Imagine receiving hundreds of daily reports on demand, delivered straight to you, every hour if required.